Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I spotted Bitcoin's massive drop from around $74,000 all the way down to $59,000. This wasn't luck. It was a clean setup based on distribution, key resistance zones, and confirmed sell signals. So let me walk you through it step by step. Here we are on the Bitcoin 4-hour chart on Binance. As you can see, price was trading in a tight range between 76,000 and 82,000 for several days. This sideways action wasn't random. This was a classic distribution phase where smart money was quietly unloading their positions onto late buyers who thought the bull run was still alive. Now notice the repeated go short signals at the top of the range. Every single time price tried to push higher, it was rejected at the same resistance zone around $80,400 to $82,000, which lines up perfectly with the 161.8 and 200% Fibonacci extension levels. That's a major red flag for any experienced trader. If you look closely at the structure, this is a textbook Wyckoff distribution pattern. We have the automatic reaction marking the lower boundary, multiple secondary tests failing to break new highs, and finally the sign of weakness as price loses support. Every bounce got weaker and weaker. The buyers were exhausted and the bears were quietly loading up their shorts. This is the exact moment I knew a major move down was coming. Now here's the key entry zone, marked by the red arrow on the chart. Around $73,000 to $74,000, we got a perfect short signal. Price broke below the moving averages, the red and the blue lines you see here. The go short signal triggered right at resistance, and the volume on the histogram below confirmed strong bearish momentum with that big red cluster. This was the confirmation candle, the moment to execute the short trade with a stop loss placed just above 76,000. Once price broke below the negative 27.2% Fibonacci level at 73,258, the floor completely collapsed. Bitcoin sliced through the negative 61.8 level at 71,947, then smashed through the negative 100% extension at 70,499, and finally crashed all the way down to the negative 161.8 target at 68,156 before continuing the free fall down to 59,300. That's roughly a $15,000 move, or about 20% downside, captured in just a few days. So what's the real lesson here? 3 things you need to remember. First, always watch for distribution patterns. Sideways price action after a big rally is usually a warning sign, not a healthy pause. Second, use Fibonacci extensions to project your downside targets once support breaks. And third, always wait for confirmation. Don't short blindly. Wait for the structure to break and the volume to confirm the move. This exact setup works on any time frame and on any asset, not just Bitcoin. If this breakdown helped you understand the move better, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more trade analysis like this, and drop a comment below. What's your next target for Bitcoin? Are we heading to 55,000 or is a bounce coming soon? Let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next video. Trade safe and stay sharp.